So moments ago, Erika Kirk's legal team announcing a new court motion demanding all evidence be made public, arguing, quote, at certain points throughout the preliminary hearing, the Kirk family sat in the room while evidence was admitted but not presented for their viewing. They were present in body, yet denied the very thing their presence was meant to secure, their ability to meaningfully observe the preliminary hearing in the absence of transparency. Speculation and conspiracy theories related to the tragic assassination of Mr. Kirk will continue to proliferate in the public domain, breeding doubt and distrust in the judicial system. Now, this comes just hours before the court is expected to hear redacted audio testimony from the ex-roommate of the suspect accused of assassinating Charlie Kirk. Fox News contributor and criminal defense attorney Donna Rotunno joins us now. She's been outside the courtroom, inside the courtroom this entire week. Donna, can you explain to our audience what rights victims have in hearings like this?
Sure. Hi, Lawrence. Good morning. So victims do have rights, and the state of Utah has a specific statute that allows for victims' rights. So they list numerous things: right to a speedy trial, right to a fair process, right to be informed. This filing shows the frustration that Erika Kirk and the family of Charlie Kirk are dealing with. They have an entire legal team here that is saying to the court, look, Your Honor, you are allowing pieces of evidence in for your consideration, but you are not allowing us, the family, the public, to see what those things are. And this puts the judge in a very difficult position because remember, Lawrence, there's not a jury in this courtroom. This is a preliminary hearing. And without a jury to hear what's going on, there's nothing to shield the finder of fact from. Sometimes the judge rules, look, this is not information that is relevant to a jury. It is not admissible, and therefore they're not going to hear it. In this case, the judge is taking everything he hears into consideration, and he's making that determination. And normally, those things are not shut off to the public. And so this is a little bit of a different situation. And the defense is saying, I don't want these things to possibly taint a future jury pool. But Erika Kirk is saying, I'm sitting in this courtroom, and every time I walk out the door, I am being just bombarded by conspiracy theories. I mean, Lawrence, all of us see it in our own social media.
100%.
People are out there with these ideas, right? They're out there with these ideas that things are not happening when they're showing the evidence to you in front of your face. So I don't blame Erika. I don't blame Erika for saying, Your Honor, if you're going to let it in, make sure we see it.
So that's just the point right there, Don. Typically, we would not be concerned about conspiracy theories because they never make their way into the courtroom. But this is different because in a sinister way, I feel like the defense is kind of winking to that crowd in the way that they're conducting themselves with the trial. Sure, there's no jury that has been seated, but it's almost putting pressure on the prosecution. Give us a deal. Take death penalty off the table, or you may get jury nullification. Am I wrong about that?
No, you're absolutely right about it. And what I keep saying about this hearing is that the defense is trying to have it both ways. They've argued to the ends of the earth about whether or not cameras should be in this courtroom, and yet at the same time, they are playing directly to those cameras, right? So they want certain things out in the public, they don't want other things out in the public, and you can't have it both ways, because if you really were worried about a jury pool, you could have waived this preliminary hearing.
That's right.
Because, spoiler alert, we all know how this ends, and it ends with the finding of probable cause.
So spot on. So spot on. Thank you so much, Donna. And be sure to check out Fox Nation for more of Donna's ongoing coverage of the trial.
Be sure to like and subscribe for all the Fox News latest on YouTube and catch full shows streaming now on Fox One.